Hi, welcome to this video. The topic I've chosen for this assignment is xenotransplantation. So, according to the Food and Drug Administration, xenotransplantation is any procedure that involves the transplantation, implantation, or infusion into a human recipient of either live cells, tissues, or organs from a non-human animal source, or human body fluids, cells, and tissues or organs that have had ex vivo contact with live non-human animal cells, tissues, or organs. Xenotransplantation became a concept centuries ago, in part due to the imbalance between supply and demand in needed transplants. Basically, as transplantations became a thing, demand for them rose, and the limited supply was insufficient to meet said demand. It is important to note that xenotransplantation is an experimental treatment and is only allowed in extremely rare and/or serious situations. Though rare, a handful of these treatments have been performed. Two examples include a patient lacking brain function that received 2 kidneys from a pig. The body accepted the kidneys and they were recorded to function properly. Another example was a person who received a heart from a pig. This person died 2 months later, and although the cause of death was unclear, there were some traces of a pig virus in the heart that might have contributed to the person's death. This topic is of general public interest because not everyone is aware of this topic, what it is, or what it does for people, and because scientists and researchers hope advancements in technology and medicine allow xenotransplantation to be a source through which more human lives can be saved and improved. Due to the nature of this topic, there are many concerns and controversies that arise, 2 of those being safety and ethical issues, respectively. Within safety, there is concern for infections and organ rejection. Every transplant, including human-to-human transplants, carries risk. However, animal-to-human transplants carry an even greater risk for humans because the transplant can carry infections and germs that can hurt humans and even cause a widespread infection. Also, because animals have different genetic coding, there is a possibility that the human body rejects the transplant. Within ethical issues, a few prominent controversies include animal welfare. The animals used in these experiments are raised in a lab to reduce the risk of infection for humans, but this impacts the animal's well-being. Often, the animal's DNA is modified to better match humans. Cultural and/or religious considerations. The most common donor used in this is the pig, but there are religions and/or cultures that are against interactions with pigs or other animals. There is also patient privacy. Because this is experimental testing, patients are likely to be monitored for long periods of time, and any changes can be released to the public. As for where things are headed, it is still considered an active research area. The development of genetic and technological advancements are improving areas for safety concern, so it's a possibility, but it seems we are yet to reach a point where this can, if possible, become a common treatment.